Hello students of class 9. This is advanced mathematics, page number 184. Okay, this is your chapter 6, sequence and series. Okay, this is your chapter 6, sequence and series. So what is a sequence and what is a series you have already learned in the previous video. So now in this video I will start from page number 184. Okay, I will start from page number 84. So in here the topic is that arithmetic progression. Okay, the topic is arithmetic progression. The topic is arithmetic progression. So in here you see the definition. Okay, first of all, arithmetic progression, definition of arithmetic progression. So you see, if in a sequence, okay, if in a sequence a term is subtracted, from its intermediate, from its immediate successor, and the value obtained is always constant in each case, then that sequence is called an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Okay, so you see, in this video, in this topic, we will learn about arithmetic progression. Now, what is an arithmetic progression? According to the definition, it is given that if in a sequence, a term is subtracted from its immediate successor and the value obtained is always constant in each case, okay, then the sequence is called an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Now you see, for example, if I take a sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, okay, to infinity. If I take this sequence, now in here you see, this is 1 is the first term, 4 is the second term, 7 is the third term, and so on and so on. So in here you see, if a term is subtracted from its immediate successor, okay, that means if I take the first term and the second term, okay, now in here you see, if I do t2 minus t1, that is the second term minus first term, okay, so 4 minus 1 is equals to 3 I will get. Next again, if I do 7 minus 4, that is t3 minus t2, 7 minus 4, 3 I will get. Next again, t4 minus t3, 10 minus 7, 3 I will get. Next again, t5 minus t6, 13 minus 10, 3 I will get. Next again, this one, if I do t7 minus t6, 16 minus 30, 3 I will get. Again, this is a t8 minus t7, 8th term minus 7th term, 19 minus 16, 3 I will get. Again, t9 minus t8, 22 minus 19, 3 I will get. So that is only saying, in a sequence, a term is subtracted from its intermediate successor and the value obtained is always constant in each case, then that sequence is called an arithmetic sequence. So in this sequence, you see, this is a sequence. Okay, in this sequence, what is going on? If 4 minus 1, if I do, okay, that it is called the difference between the consecutive terms. Okay, the difference between the consecutive terms. 4 minus 1, okay, from its, if a term is subtracted from its immediate successor, one successor is 4 here, so 4 minus 1 if I do, I will get 3. 7 minus 4 if I do, I will get 3. 10 minus 7 if I do, 3. 13 minus 10, 3. 16 minus 13, 3. 19 minus 16, 3. 22 minus 19, 3. Like that it will go on and on. Understand? So the difference of the consecutive terms, it is constant here. The difference of the consecutive terms remains constant. Then that type of sequence, I will say that it is a arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Understand? Okay, any sequence if I take, for example, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Let's say this is a finite sequence, and this whole sequence I will say that it is in arithmetic progression. The sequence is in arithmetic progression. Why? Because you see, 4 minus 2 I will get 2, 6 minus 4 I will get 2, 8 minus 6 I will get 2, 10 minus 8 2, 12 minus 10 2, 14 minus 12 2, 16 minus 14 2, 18 minus 16 2. The difference between the consecutive terms is constant. All the way I am getting 2 2 2. It is constant. So therefore I will say that the following sequence is in arithmetic progression. Okay, so therefore it is saying that in an arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive terms is always constant. In a arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive terms is always constant, and this difference is called the common difference. It is called the common difference of the sequence. Common difference of the sequence. Understand? So in here what we have learned, what are arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression are those sequence in which the difference between the consecutive term is constant. Understand? The difference between the consecutive term is constant. Now you see the standard form. Okay, the standard form of an AP. In short, okay, arithmetic progression, in short I can write AP. The standard form of an arithmetic progression is a comma a plus d comma a plus twice d comma a plus thrice d comma a plus 4d dot dot dot. This is the standard form of an arithmetic progression. In here, a is the first term, and this d is the common difference. A is the first term and d is the common difference. Okay, this is the standard form of an AP. Remember, a comma a plus d, a plus twice d, a plus thrice d, a plus 4d. A plus 5d, it will go on, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. This is the standard form. Okay, remember, standard form. Now I will go to the general term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, general term, remember, general term of an arithmetic, general term of an arithmetic progression. So you see the standard form, this is the general term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so you see the standard arithmetic, the standard arithmetic progression is a comma a plus d comma a plus twice d comma a plus thrice d comma a plus 4d dot dot dot. This is the standard standard form of an arithmetic progression. Okay, standard form of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so here in this sequence you see first term which I can take as t1, it is equals to a. Okay, second term which is t2, it is equals to a plus d. Okay, and then you see so this one in here you see the first term, it is equals to a. So in here a, I can write it in this way, a plus 1 minus 1 d. I can write it in this way, a plus, okay, 1 minus 1 d. This is a plus 2d, which I can write it is equals to a plus 2 minus 1d. The third term t3, this is a plus thrice d, which I can write as a plus a plus 2d, which I can write as a plus 3 minus 1d. Okay, so therefore the nth term of an arithmetic progression, that one only called the general term of an arithmetic progression. Let me give some more terms. Fourth term, you see fourth term t4, this is equals to a plus 3d, which is equals to a plus 4 minus 1d. Okay, then the fifth term t5, this is equals to a plus 4d, which I can write as a plus 5 minus 1d. Understand? So therefore the nth term which is I can write as tn. Okay, tn, this will be is equals to what? A plus, you see in here, term number is 2. Yes, term number is 2. And what happens with d? The number that I multiply with d, it is 1 less than the term number. This is 2, so therefore 1 is multiplied with d. Yes, 2 minus 1d. This is term number is 3, so 2 is multiplied with d. Yes, 1 decreases. Term number is 4, 3 is multiplied with d. You see 4 minus 1, 1 decreases. T5, a plus 4d. So Tn will be what? 1, it will decrease. That means Tn will be a plus n minus 1 d. Understand? Tn will be a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so this is the general term. This is the general term of an arithmetic progression that you will remember. Okay, you will have to remember. This is the general term of an arithmetic progression. Let me write it in here. So you see, according to the book, yes, okay, that is the general term of the AP. So therefore you see, I am writing here nth term. Okay, nth term of an arithmetic progression. Nth term of an arithmetic progression. Nth term. This nth term, I can say the nth term or the general term. Same only. Nth term or the general term. Remember, nth term or the general term of an arithmetic progression. This is equals to uh, which one you see bracket Tn, okay, Tn, the nth term, I can express it as Tn, and this is equals to a plus first term plus n minus 1d. This is your formula. Let me write it nicely. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d. This is called the nth term. In here Tn is the nth term, okay, nth term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, this is called the general term or the nth term of an arithmetic progression. This formula in here, the nth term formula, you will have to remember. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, very important. Now, this one you see. What is the need? What is the need of this formula? Okay, what is the need of this formula? You see here. You see here, if I take a arithmetic progression, okay, if I take a arithmetic progression, for example, you see it is going in this way, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, okay, 17, 19. Now this one you see first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. This is the 10th term. So this arithmetic progression, it will go like this. Okay, this is an arithmetic progression because 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 7 2, 11 minus 9 2, 13 minus 2. The common difference is constant. Yes, common difference is constant throughout. One thing you see, if in here, for example, in here, if I change it to 18, then this whole sequence will not be in arithmetic progression, because in here up till here it is 2, but in here it changed, common difference 3 become. So from 1 to 15, the sequence is a arithmetic progression, but if I take from 1 to 19, then the sequence will be it will be not a arithmetic sequence, okay, or arithmetic progression. That one you remember, okay. So therefore let me take this sequence 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 dot dot dot. Okay, this is the first term. Okay, first term. Again, one thing you remember here, the first term of an arithmetic progression, I can write it as T1 is equals to 1, or I can take it as A. Okay, understand? A is equals to 1. Okay, so in here you see, so in here we will study, you see, what is the application, okay, what is the application of the general term of an arithmetic progression. Understand? So now let us consider that this is a sequence. Now this sequence is a arithmetic progression, okay, because the difference between the consecutive term is constant. Understand? Now what is the application of the general term of an arithmetic progression? What is the application of this formula, that Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d? What is the application of this formula? Now you see, in here you see, first term is 1, second term is 3, and so on and so on. So in this arithmetic progression, if I want to know, let's say, what will be the 100th term, understand, if the numbers goes on in this way, understand, and the numbers are in arithmetic progression, then let's say I want to know what will be the 100th term. Okay, what will be the 100th term? So in here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, yes, the 10th term is 19. Yes, T10 is 19 there. I want to know what is T100, what is the 100th term. Okay, what will come in 100th term? So to find out, I can use this formula. So t 100, n value, n will be equals to 100, is equals to a, it is the first term, I will write 1, and this will be 100 minus 1, and d is the common difference, which is 3 minus 1, it is 2. Okay, 3 minus 1, it is 2, so common difference is 2. So this is t 100 is equals to 1 plus this will be 99 into 2, 99 into 2, so 9 to the 18, 9 to the 18, 19, so this will be 1 plus 198, this will be 199. So the 100th term, understand, the 100th term will be 199. So this is one application of this formula. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d, and it is called the general term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, general term or the nth term. Understand, nth term means this n value can be anything. It can be 100,000, 100,000 lakhs. It can be any number. Okay, so therefore this is the general term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, this formula, it is very important there. Understand, Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So next you see, next I will go to example 1. Okay, next I will go to example 1 here. So page number 186, example 1, page number 186, example 1, you see here. Find the common difference of the progression given below and hence find its 7th and 9th term. So our progression is -5, -8, -11, -14, dot dot dot. Okay, what I have to find here, I have to find the common difference. Okay, I have to find the common difference. I have to find the common difference. Okay, that is small letter d, and I have to find the 7th term. Okay, I have to find the 7th term, that is t7. Okay, and I have to find the 9th term. I have to find the 9th term, t9 I have to find. Understand, common difference, the 7th term and the 9th term. So the common difference I can find, what I will do, it is the difference between two consecutive terms. Yes, -8 minus -5 I will do. Understand, -8 minus 5 I will do. So this is equals to, I will get -8 plus 5, which is equals to, I will get -3. So the common difference is -3. Next it is the t7. Yes, the 7th term, t7. So in here it will become wait a minute, before solving this, okay, so this one you see, t7, it will be a plus, understand, a plus, so what is the number that is multiplied with the common difference? What did I say? It decreases from the term number, it decreases. This is a plus 7 minus 1 d. Okay, a plus 7 minus 1 d. So it is equals to a. A is the first term. So in this sequence, the first term is -5. So -5 plus this will be 6. 6 into, and the common difference d I have already taken out, which is -3. -3. So this is, I will get -5 minus 18. So 18 plus 5, this is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. -23 I will. So the 7th term will be -23. And then the 9th term t9, it will be is equals to, what did I say? It will be a plus 9 minus 1 into d. First term is, it is again -5 plus this is 8 into common difference -3. So -5 minus 24. So this will be is equals to -29. This is our answer. Understand, common difference -3, 7th term is -23, and the 9th term will be -29. Understand? Now next you see example 2. In here always this formula only it will come again and again. Okay, Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d. This one you will have to remember. Okay, where Tn is the nth term. Understand, nth term of the arithmetic progression. Example 2 you see here 21, 42, 63, 84 dot 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 is an arithmetic progression. Okay, this is an arithmetic progression saying that this is an AP. Which term, okay, which term is 420? Which term is 420? So if the so in here our sequence is 21, 42, 63, 84 dot dot dot. Okay, and saying that this sequence is an arithmetic progression, then asking which term is 420. So therefore here you see here I will write A, okay, A, which is the first term. Okay, first term A, it will be is equals to first term it will be is equals to 21. Okay, then next common difference I will have to find these things. Common difference it will be common difference small letter d, it will be 42 minus 21. 42 minus 21 I will get 1 to 21 I will get. Common difference d value I got 21. Understand? Now I will have to find Tn I will have to find. Understand which term? Understand, that means for which value of small letter n, because n gives me the term number, for which value of n our term is 420. Understand, term is 420. Okay, which term is 420? That one asking. Understand? So in here I will say that let the nth term, n value I don't know, so I will take that let the nth term, okay, let the nth term of the sequence, let the nth term of the sequence be 420. Okay, let the nth term of the sequence be 420. So therefore first of all you write the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d. Tn value I have taken as 420, so in place of Tn I will write 420 is equals to a, first term it is 21, put it in here, and n value I don't know, so n minus 1, and common difference I have taken out, this is 21. Understand? So 420 is equals to 21 plus n minus 1 into 21 I got. Yes? Now I will have to solve it and find the value of n. Then I will get which term is 420. Understand? So therefore this one you see 420 is equals to 21 plus this one it will become 21 minus 21 21 n minus 21. If I multiply 21 with n minus 1 I will get 21 n minus 21. So this and this cancels out. So this is 420 is equals to 21 n I get. So 420 by 21 is equals to n. So this one I will get this one if I will get 20 is equals to n. Understand? 20. So therefore the 20th term, understand, T20 is 420. Understand, the 20th term is 420. Understand? So therefore I can write, therefore the 20th term of the sequence is 420. Okay, the 20th term of the sequence is 420. So this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, like that, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, 10th term, then again 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That 20th term will be this one. Understand? So these are some of the applications of the of this formula. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Understand? In this chapter, this formula only it is very important here. Now you see example 3. Okay, now you see example 3. Example 3. So saying that the fifth and the ninth term of an AP, fifth and the ninth term of an AP are 11 and 7 respectively. Find the progression. Okay, I have to find in here what I have to find. I have to find the AP. I have to find the AP. So some arithmetic progression is there whose fifth and ninth term is 11 and 7 given. I have to find the arithmetic progression. So in here you see fifth term, yes, T5 it is given, understand, T5 it is given as 11, okay, and the ninth term T9 is given as 7. So this T5, how I can write, what will be the value of T5? You see, T5, it will be a plus what? The number that is multiplied with D, what happens? The term number, it becomes one less. So I can write a plus 4D. Understand, that is only a plus 5 minus 1D. Ultimately, I will get a plus 4D. So in place of T5, I will write a plus 4D. Understand? A plus 4D is equals to 11. This will be our equation 1. And the next again, this one you see, and T9, yes, T9 means what? T9, what I can write? A plus 1 less become, okay, so A plus 8D. A plus 8D is equals to 7, and this is our equation number 2. Understand? Now what I will do? I will do 1 minus 2. Okay, if I do 1 minus 2, then A and A I can cut. Understand? D value I will be able to get. When D value I will get, then that D value I will put it in any one of the equation, and A value I will be able to get. When first term and the common difference value I will get, then I can find the arithmetic progression. So 1 minus 2 if I do, so this one I will get A plus 4D minus A plus 8D is equals to 11 minus 7. So this is A plus 4D minus A minus 8D is equals to 11 minus 7. I will get 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4 I will get. This one and this one cut. So this is minus 4D is equals to 4 I will get. D is equals to minus 1 I will get. Understand? Common difference. Common difference is minus 1. Okay. So I can write, putting the value of D in equation 1. Okay. Putting the value of D in equation 1, we get A plus 4 into minus 1 is equals to 11. So this one I will get A minus 4 is equals to 11. A is equals to 11 plus 4. So A is equals to, I will get 50. Understand? So this one, remember, first term. A is first term. Okay, first term of the AP. First term of the AP I got 15, and common difference of the AP I got minus 1. So now I will be able to find the arithmetic progression. Okay. So this one I am writing it in here. Common difference A15. Now you see. Now you see. First term which is A, this is equals to first term, what I got? A is equal to 15, so first term is 15. Then second term, this one A, okay, no problem. A I can write, or T1 I can write. Understand? T1 I can write. T1 or A. Understand? T1 or A. Second term, you see, okay, so second term in here, T2, okay, second term T2, it will be is equals to, what is the second term? How can I write? A plus, this is 2, so 2 minus 1D become, yes or no? T2, it is A plus 2 minus 1D become. Understand? So this one I am directly writing A plus D I am writing. Understand? A plus D. 2 minus 1 into D means what? 1 into D only. So A plus D become. So is equals to, you see, A value is 15 and D value is minus 1. Minus 1. So this is ultimately gives me 140. Understand? And again, third term, you see, like that we can calculate do and go. T3. T3 will be what? A plus twice D. A value is 15 plus 2 into minus 1. So this one 15 minus 2 I will get. So this one 15 minus 30. So this is 13 I will get. Yes. Fourth term T4 is equals to A plus 3D is equals to 15 plus 3 into minus 1. So 15 minus 3 I will get 12. Okay, fifth term it is already given 11, ninth term it is already given 7. Understand? Okay, so therefore you see, you calculate up to one, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. I have calculated these are okay. So therefore you see, therefore the AP is, I can write therefore the AP is 15, 14, 13. You see there is a pattern, 1 decreasing and going. Yes, 15, 14, 13, 12, fifth term is 11, and dot 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 you can give. So this is the, your required AP is this one. Understand? So these things, without doing these things also you can directly calculate the AP. Okay, one thing you remember, in here what I got, you see the first term I got, first term. Understand? To make the arithmetic progression, what are the informations I need? First term I need, common difference I need, this information I need. Yes, the first term and the common difference. Yes, with the help of these two information I can make the arithmetic progression. Okay, first term is 15. Understand? And second term is what? A plus D. So 15 plus minus 1, that means 14. Understand? And next term will be A plus twice D. So 15 plus 2 into minus 1, which is 13. Okay, so this is your arithmetic progression. I hope you have understood. Next you see, I will go to example 4. Next you see example 4. Example 4, it is saying that in an AP, the 20th term is given, 20th term is given as 10 more than the 80th term. Okay, 10 more, that means the 20th term, it is given as 10 more than the 18th term. 10 more than the 18th term. Find the common difference. I have to find small letter d. Also find TR minus TK. TR minus TK. Okay, TR minus TK I have to find. Okay, TR minus TK. Okay, so first of all, this information are given. Solution, you see. TR minus, okay, no problem. TR minus TK. So first of all, you see, 20th term is 10 more than the 18th term. Okay, this information given. I have to find the common difference. So that means in here you see, it is given that T20, okay, T20 is equals to T18 plus 10. This is given. Now, in place of T20, what I can write? A plus 19D. Yes, A plus 19D. In place of T18, what I can write? A plus 17D plus 10. Okay, got? Now you see, A cut, 19D minus 17D is equals to 10 I will get. This one I will get 2D is equals to 10. So D is equals to 5. Yes, common difference I got 5. I have to find the value of D. D value I got. Therefore, I can write, therefore the common difference of the AP is 5. Yes, common difference of the AP is 5. Okay. Next again, I have to find TR minus TK. Okay, TR minus TK. So you see, TR is equals to what become? A plus, always the term number is R. So what number will be multiplied with D? It will decrease. So A plus R minus 1D. Okay, and TK will be A plus K minus 1D. Okay, so now you see TR minus TK it will be a plus r minus 1d, okay, a plus r minus 1d minus a plus k minus 1d, a plus k minus 1 minus a plus k minus 1d, okay, tr minus tk is equals to, so this one what become, you see, a plus this one if I multiply d, I will get rd minus d minus this one in here, you see, let me keep this bracket, and this one if I multiply a plus kd minus d, okay, so now I will open the brackets, a plus rd minus d minus a minus kd plus d become d cut, a cut, ultimately I get rd minus kd, so in here d I can take common, okay, d I can take common, so I will get r minus kd, okay, r minus kd. Now d value I have already got, d value, what did I get, d value, I got d value 5 I got, yes, d value 5 I got, I rubbed it, this one it was a plus 19d is equals to a plus 17d plus 10, this gone, 19, yes, d value 5 I got, so therefore is equals to, I can write r minus k into 5, understand, r minus k into 5, so this is your answer.